Hi everybody, it's Jason for Boatshed Dartmouth. Today we're taking a look at this Bayliner 185 that we have listed here in the Dartmouth area. Spectacular looking boat. Just going to be doing a short external and internal video so you can get a feel for this vessel, how she's laid out and her lovely lines. So we're just starting off here now at the bow. I'll do some underwater profile shots as well. Her anti-foul looks in really good condition. As we go around the hull of the boat, she does have a few little scratches, but nothing that can't be fixed very simply. She's got this lovely front seating area, and when you look at her screens here, that centre screen just there pops out and allows access through the boat. So again, a really eye-catching boat. Now look down the hull. Again, there's that screen and this fantastic A-frame. Talk a little bit more about that in a minute. Arriving here at her stern, really nice big swim platform there, and you've got a swim ladder just here that unclips, making it nice easy access to get on board. Okay, here's the outdrive. The owner is going to get the outdrive serviced and the engine fully serviced before the new owner takes the boat. I'm just going to have a look in this rear cockpit area now. Again, fantastic seating throughout. A really lovely boat, certainly to enjoy a day like today. So if we look at this spectacular A-frame, it's got a couple of speakers on either side. I would assume it very powerful speakers. For towing water skiers, etc. behind. She's also got either side on this frame some holders there for skis or wakeboards. Again, there's that underwater profile. The business side of the boat, the skipper, all well apportioned, some nice nav instruments there as well. So all in all, a very nice boat. You can see from the photos she's got a full set of all over covers as well. She's currently kept on a dry stack, so not sat in the water. So if you have any questions about this boat whatsoever, don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatsheddartmouth.com, or of course you can see a full listing on our website, boatsheddartmouth.com. Thanks for watching.